In today's video, I'll show you how to go ahead and connect your Epomaker TH99 Pro keyboard, which you can see right here. You want to switch between Mac and you have the option to switch between Windows. You also have cable, which is a USB port, so you can actually use a Type-C cable and connect it to your laptop or your iPad, depending on the device you want to connect it to. And if you look right here, you're going to notice the three options you can use to pair or connect this device, which is the 2.4G. The 2.4G is the dongle which you can use to connect it, which is at the back of just this part of the keyboard. You see it right here. Then you're able to bring it out, which you can see. Then you can put it back there if you are not using it. Then the other option you have is the USB. When you switch it to the USB option, you can use the USB-C cable. But if you want to make use of the Bluetooth option, different device at the time, and down to the switch between these three different devices, you just have to switch to the BT section, and you make sure, depending on what you're using, if you're using Mac or you're using Windows. For me, I'm actually using Windows. I'm going to use it on Windows. I'm going to be making use of my iPad right here. I'm also going to be making use of my iPhone, and I'm also going to be making use of my Windows desktop. Once you switch the keyboard to BT, then what you want to do is to press FN on your keyboard, which is right here, FN, and the three Bluetooth options are Q, W, and E. So if you want to connect the first device, you need to click on FN, hold FN, then you press Q. Now, once you hold FN and Q, you're going to notice that the Q button is going to be blinking. It's going to be blinking very fast. Then you can go ahead and search for the device on your desktop. All right, as you can see on my desktop, I'm going to click on add device, then I'm going to click on Bluetooth, and I'm going to search for the device. As you can see, it's showing TH99 Pro. I'll click on connect and it's going to connect. So you can see currently it's connecting, and I have a notepad here so we can actually go ahead and test it out. So we've done that. I'll click on connect, then I'll come back here. Now if I type on my keyboard, you can see currently it's typing. Can you see it? I'm typing and it's working. So that's it. All right, so as you can see, we've been able to connect the first Bluetooth. Now to connect the second Bluetooth, we're going to do FN and W. Hold it and wait for W to blink. As you can see, W is blinking very fast. Now it's time for us to go ahead and pair Bluetooth, the second Bluetooth. Now on my iPad, I'm going to open the settings. I'm going to open settings. Then I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Then from Bluetooth, I'm going to click on, as you can see right here, it's showing the devices I can pair with, and it's showing TH99 Pro 2, which means I can connect the second device. So as you can see, it's now on Bluetooth, what I want to do is now I'm going to do FNE, which is the third Bluetooth. So I'm doing that right now, and it's blinking really fast. Now I can go ahead and connect it to my mobile phone. As you can see on my mobile phone, it's showing TH99 Pro 3. I'll click on that and it's going to pair. This is my mobile phone. You can see my keyboard, and I'm going to be pressing. As you can see, I'm pressing on the keyboard and it's already putting the input right there on my mobile phone. As you can see, so this is how you can actually use your TH99 Pro keyboard to multiple devices, and you just have to hold FNQ or FNW to whatever device you wish to connect to, and it's going to switch to that device. Just hold FNW and it's going to switch to that device. So it's very, very easy to switch between all these devices. If I want to switch back to my mobile phone, I just click FN8 and I can go ahead and start using it on my mobile phone. Very, very easy. I hope you found the video really helpful. If you have any issue concerning using this keyboard, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to create a video about that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.